cinema-quality entertainment that goes wherever you do. The Samsung Galaxy S. That's the wonder of Samsung.
3 hours till phone nirvana.
Yeah. I'm so amped, I could stand here for 3 weeks.
9 hours down, and we're almost in the door.
Only 7 people stand between us and
Meeting.
Yeah, I mean, this is an event. We're gonna remember this for the rest of our lives.
I think 2 people just left.
Why would they be leaving when we're only 9 hours away?
Uh-oh. Blogs are saying the battery looks sketchy.
If it looks the same, how will people know I upgraded?
Whoa. What you got there?
Not sure. What is that? Guys.
Whoa. Hey, bro, can we see your phone?
Sure.
Can I see with my hands? Have you seen this thing?
Ooh.
She totally caught me checking out her phone.
Check out the screen, this thing is huge.
It's pretty massive. And it's got 4G speed.
Samsung.
Samsung? That's a Samsung. Yeah.
Is this what adultery feels like?
Samsung.
Pretty big display. It's the next thing, man.
Whatevs.
I could never get a Samsung. I'm creative.
Dude, you're a barista.
Why don't you guys just get 4G phones? Why don't you just get a 4G phone?
Pretty thin, huh?
Yeah, it's a Galaxy S2. This phone is amazing.
The Galaxy S2 from Samsung.
That's old school. Classic.
Yeah, this is kind of retro thing, which I like.
Yeah.
Samsung Galaxy S3. Designed for humans.
Hey, sorry, I was just checking out your phone. That's the Galaxy S4, right?
Yeah, I just got it.
Did your video just pause on its own?
Yeah, it does it every time you look away from the screen.
And that's a big screen, too.
5 inches, HD.
Is that phone that you answer by waving your hand over it?
Yeah.
Is it? Am I doing it right?
Someone has to call you first.
Well, give me your number. I'll call you.
Yeah. Give me your number.
Come on.
Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S4. The next big thing is here.
I can capture life in a blink. I can download the world in an instant. I live carefree. This is my life. My life powered by the Samsung Galaxy S5.
Ooh, check out the edge of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. It displays colors when your top 5 contacts call. The edge of the iPhone 6 displays nothing, but it has a vibrate function. The GS6 Edge also displays text, news, sports, stocks, weather, Twitter, email. It's a lot. While the edge of this guy has some buttons. When you do the math, it's clear. 6 is greater than 6. The Galaxy S6 Edge. Not all smartphones are created equal.
What? I can pour this champagne on my phone and it still works.
What?
Yeah, look. Kenny, I'm about to put you in a fish tank. What?
That's crazy.
Your phone can't do that, Max. Here, I have another.
The new water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
Do you sell high-end champagne?
In the back.
Have a good night.
The new water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
The new Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus.
Wow! Here's an invitation to the whole wide world. That bad day with ya, leave it at the door. If you got money in your pocket.